Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Diced chicken is such a fantastic ingredient to have on hand. It cooks up really quickly, which is a huge bonus for those busy weeknights when you need dinner on the table in a flash. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, fitting perfectly into stir-fries, pastas, salads, or even tacos. It's a simple way to add lean protein to so many of your favorite dishes, making meal prep a breeze. Before you even think about cooking, proper preparation is key. First, take your diced chicken and gently pat it dry using paper towels. This step helps create a lovely sear and prevent steaming. Then, season it generously. A good pinch of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps a dash of garlic powder or paprika will make a world of difference. Your chicken is now ready for the pan. Now for the cooking magic. Get a large skillet hot over medium-high heat, adding just a touch of your preferred cooking oil. Once it shimmers, carefully add your diced chicken in a single layer. It's important not to overcrowd the pan, otherwise, your chicken will steam instead of brown. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, tossing it every couple of minutes until all sides are nicely golden brown and cooked through. Knowing when your chicken is perfectly done is crucial for both safety and taste. The easiest way to tell is by checking its internal temperature. It should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, simply cut into a larger piece. There should be no pink visible in the center. Once cooked, let it rest for just 5 minutes off the heat. This simple step helps the juices redistribute, ensuring your chicken stays wonderfully tender and moist. And there you have it, perfectly cooked diced chicken, ready to elevate your next meal. This versatile protein is fantastic in so many dishes. Think quick and easy stir-fries, flavorful tacos, hearty salads, or even mixed into your favorite pasta. It's truly a staple for any home cook, offering a healthy and delicious base for countless culinary adventures. Enjoy experimenting with your favorite flavors and creating something wonderful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.